Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins with yeast. First, gather all your ingredients and ensure they are at room temperature. This helps with proper mixing and yeast activation. You'll need flour, sugar, salt, milk, eggs, butter, and active dry yeast. Making muffins with yeast offers a delightful, bread-like texture that's truly satisfying. Let's get baking. To begin, gently warm 1 cup of milk to about 105 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, then stir in 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast with 1 teaspoon of sugar. Let it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now, pour the yeast mixture, 2 beaten eggs, and 1/4 cup of melted butter into the dry ingredients. Mix until a soft dough forms, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 1.5 hours, or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Divide the dough evenly among 12 greased muffin cups, filling each about 2/3 full. Let them rise again for 20 to 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the muffins for 18 to 22 minutes, or until they are golden brown and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let them cool slightly before serving. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade yeast muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.